Hello everyone, we are stepping into the beautiful rural areas of Vietnam, where farmers are not just workers but also innovators and warriors of the land. Today, we will follow their challenging journey as they harvest resin and transport wood on makeshift trucks powered by 6 strong engines. Gum trees, symbols of strength and tradition, constitute a crucial source of income for Vietnamese farmers. They not only enrich the soil, but also contribute to the lush green tapestry of our homeland. But the story doesn't end here. These farmers are not just hardworking individuals, they are also innovators. Their makeshift truck, with its 6 robust engines, has become a symbol of creativity and perseverance. The dense forest path is not easy to conquer, but with these makeshift trucks, it's not just a journey, it's also a challenge, a true adventure. Looking at how the truck overcomes each challenge, you can feel the power of perseverance and solidarity. This is not just about transporting wood, it's a meaningful adventure. Finally, after challenging roads and obstacles, the truck and the skilled farmers have successfully brought the resin to its destination. The happiness on their faces is the pride of an entire community. Thank you for accompanying us on this journey. These farmers are not just warriors of the land, but also innovators, making Vietnam a symbol of perseverance and creativity. Let's continue exploring other amazing stories on this land together.